I'm going to get right to the point for you. If you're trying to figure out how you take your Google business profile from the second, third, or fourth page, or all the way at the bottom of the first to the very top, then you are in luck, because Merchant built a free Google business profile audit tool that looks at everything about your Google business profile and how you're ranking on AI platforms and different things about your local market, and will tell you what you need to do to optimize your Google business profile. So let's just look at an example right now so you know what to expect. You can see their optimization score was an 83%. Not bad, but not great. It's going to tell you at a high level everything you need to do on your Google business profile and what you already did well. It's going to then tell you in an itemized fashion all the different reasons that you passed and failed the audit so that you know exactly how to fix it. You don't need to guess. It's going to just tell you how to fix it. It's also going to let you know the amount of people and money that you can earn if you were to get every single person in your area to buy from you. So what this is looking at is how many people search for your type of business every month in your area, how much they typically spend each time that they purchase from a business like yours, and then it figures out what the total market opportunity is. So if you were to get everyone from your community to buy from you, what would that look like in terms of monthly revenue? In this case, it's $42,000 per month. You can go figure out what yours is as well by using this free tool. You'll also see who your top competitors are. And again, all of those items from your Google business profile that you need to improve, such as reviews that you can go flag because they might violate Google's terms. So how great would it be to get your 1-star reviews taken down? And fun fact, if you start your page trial after doing an audit, we will actually go and help you flag those for removal. You'll also see what your AI visibility is for your most important keywords. So in this case, their most important keyword was best junk removal services in Baltimore. And this audit shows them that they did not rank on ChatGPT. They did not rank on Claude. They did not rank on Gemini or Grok, but they did rank in the 15th position on Llama, and they were number 1 on Perplexity for this keyword. So what this means is they did a pretty good job in some areas because a few of the AI platforms started to rank them, but they didn't optimize their Google business profile well enough, or their website, which is likely why they're not on Gemini. Next, we're going to see their Heatmap audits. So this is going to audit areas that are important to this business, the neighborhoods around them, the cities around them, for their most important keywords, and tell them how well they are ranking. So for the keyword estate cleanout, we can see that if someone searched for that keyword right here, the business showed up in the 4th position on Google Maps. But if someone searched right under it in this section, they were actually showing up in the 10th position, or all the way at 20 plus, meaning they weren't even ranking for this keyword if someone searched all the way out here. And you'll get this for your own most important 3 keywords for your business. And this only takes a few seconds to do. Basically, it suggests the keywords for you to audit, and then it gives you a beautiful report like this in just a few seconds so that you can figure out what you need to do to optimize your business online so that you can rank higher and grow your business. Because over 90% of people use the internet, specifically Google, to find local businesses. And so if you're not focusing on optimizing your business profile on Google, then you're really turning your back to 90% of potential customers. Hopefully you find this tool super helpful. You can go to merchant.com and then just look for the buttons that say see your rankings. And then you can go and audit your Google business profile and general local marketing. So what are you waiting for? Let's go see how your report looks.